You're going to create a Mary Blair abstract art project using your name. The first thing you're going to do is take your paper and write your name using stick letters, but do this lightly. So if your name does not have to be centered. Just get it somewhere close to the middle of the paper. Then the next step, you're now going to outline the letters without touching the stick. So I'm going to start here at the M, and I'm just going to trace around my letter. I'm going to go up, and I'm probably about 1 centimeter away from the lines as I'm doing this. And back up and around until I come back to where I started. Let me trace back over this line. There. Now I'm going to go to the next letter and do the same thing. Stay about the same distance away from the line as you go. Now with my letter A, I have this inside space, so I also need to trace right inside there. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the letter R. Come up and around. And the R, now, these letters are touching, which is fine. I'm going to trace the inside of the R. And last, the letter Y. Your letters do not have to touch. There. And now I've got my name ready. The next step. Now you're going to erase those lines you drew inside your letters. And they don't have to be completely gone. You just want to lighten them up as much as you can. So once all of this has been erased, you now want to take a Sharpie and Sharpie over all your letters in your name. Now you want to go back and erase any stray pencil lines that you might have to just neaten up your work a bit. Then you're ready for the next step. Now you're going to draw lines that radiate out from your name. Using your Sharpie, try to do at least one line per letter that radiates out from your name. Now, because the Y takes up all this space, I'll probably add 2, maybe 3 lines that come out from the Y. Another line from the R down here, maybe a couple at angles, and one right here. Now I look to see if I've broken it up pretty well, and I like what I have, so now I'm ready to color. That was my cat trying to video bomb my work. The next thing, you want to color your name in just one color. So I'm going to color all my letters yellow. And again, I'm using the side, not the point of the marker, so I can get as much ink on there at one time as possible. Now as you finish up, be sure you filled in all your white spaces. And just check to see if you have any other little light spots that you need to color in. And now I'm ready to begin coloring each of these spaces a different color. I won't use yellow again, that way my name will stand out. And you're ready to color the rest of your work.